Hey guys, Kurt here of NK Garage, and today I'm in my house and I got two packages delivered yesterday. I've been bidding on some eBay auctions, some tool auctions that I think might be some good deals. So I got two of them that I'm going to open up here on camera today. One of them is a lot of Craftsman tools that I paid a total of $72 for. And then the other one is a small lot of Plomb wrenches that I paid $30 for. So let's open them up and let's see what's inside and how I did. All right, guys, so here is the Craftsman lot right here, and this one is the Plum lot. So let's go open these up and see what's inside, and then we'll get it organized and we'll go over the tool haul. So starting with the Plum, a few wrenches in here. I believe there was only 4 wrenches in here, but I thought, they were pretty interesting. I love these older Plum tools, and I figured, for 30 bucks on these 4 wrenches, it could be the start of a collection for me. They all seem to be in pretty good shape. They're the older ones with the Pebble logo in here. And I know that the larger ones, like the 1-inch, that one can be worth about $30 alone just in itself. So I thought it was a pretty good buy, given the price I paid. They're not the best condition wrenches, but they're not the worst. Some of them are better than others. The 1-inch is pretty good. The 7/8 is a little rougher. It definitely had some rust on it that was cleaned off. 13/16 isn't that bad, and then we got the 5/8 here, which is pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then we'll open up the Craftsman box right here. All right, guys, it's time to open up the Craftsman box. I think I'm just gonna try to cut right through the top just to make it a little easier for me to do this. Still working on trying to set up like a camera tripod thing for this kind of stuff. I just haven't really had the time, so bear with me. But I'm gonna open it like a Christmas present, just full of excitement, just start tearing into it. It looks like I got some free newspaper, so yeah, let's start opening up little things here. I appreciate the seller trying to protect everything as best as possible. Got a wrench here. It's a nice little 1/4" by 5/16 VV series. It started to pop out of this area. Oh, here's an extension. It's a V series, 6" by 3/8 drive. We got ourselves here a file handle, Craftsman brand, in pretty good shape. Nice piece. I think I actually have some Craftsman files that I could put in there too, so that'd be nice. Here's a 1/4" drive ratchet, but the button is missing. Yeah, that whole quick release center is missing. It still ratchets, which is kind of funny. Yeah, maybe that's something I'll warranty with Craftsman or something. Try to see what they do about that. Got ourselves a nice obstruction wrench here. 7/16 by 1/2". No series or part number or anything on this, so it's definitely an older one. Definitely cool. Here's another double open-end wrench. Same thing, 1/4" by 5/16. It's pretty dirty. I think it's also a VV series. Alright, let's see what's in package number 2. I think these are fun. Obviously, as I bid on it, I knew that, I was going to be getting certain pieces, but I kind of bid I think I was the only bidder on this. This was one of those auctions that just didn't get a lot of traction, which is why I got this whole box for 70 bucks, which I think is a good deal. So I saw certain pieces and I knew it was worth the time and the money. So I didn't really try to figure out everything that was in there. The pictures weren't really that great. So some of this is still a surprise to me. Some of the stuff I knew I was getting, like the ratchets. But here's a 9/16 wrench, VV series, decent shape. This one's pretty cool. Line wrench, 15 millimeter by 17 millimeter. VA series, made in USA, and it's like in like brand new condition. Doesn't really look like it was used much at all. So that was definitely one of the winners. Here's another ratchet, V series ratchet, 3/8 drive, 43785. It is functioning, quick release, seems to work. Definitely is dry as a bone in there. This is also one of the ones with the oil port. I prefer to go in and just lube with the super lube, but the oil port is kind of cool. Here's an old Flying V series, 1/2 drive, 6" extension. Nice piece, decent shape. This is one of the pieces that I knew I was going to be getting, and I was happy to get. Is the 20 millimeter combination wrench, a harder one to find, VA series 42937. It's got a little bit of surface rust, but nothing crazy on it. Should clean up fine. But yeah, those wrenches are 20 millimeter. Any of the larger metric stuff over 19 is hard to get. They were definitely not as popular, so they are a little harder to find, so I was happy to get that. Open up another package here. Just start throwing things all over the place. Here is a set of the drum brake shoe tools. You know, it's an older one. I'm trying to see, you know, there's got the 2-line logo on each side. I'm trying to see that letter in there. Looks like a P, maybe a D. I'm not sure. But yeah, nice older set of brake drum tools. And in here, got nice little kind of like alignment pry bar, made by Western Forge. It's number 4283 USA. You know, you got the pry bar on one side and kind of like the alignment punch on the other side. Nice tool. Got another ratchet here. Somebody painted it blue at one point. It's a VV series, but it's the original patent one for 43788. It's got the little thumb wheel here. Seems to be working. Actually feels pretty tight, which is nice. Works in both directions. Quick release button is functioning. Yeah, I mean, definitely, I'd say this one's a winner because this is one of those harder to find ones. With the original patent and the thumb wheel and everything. You know, it looks a little rough now, but I think it'll clean up pretty good. You know, there's not really any too serious rust. It's just a little surface stuff. It's not bad. These, I always love these. You know, the Craftsman, you know, made in USA, 43373. You can put any bit in there and it's magnetic. Just good tool to have. You just keep a set of bits with you and you got every kind of screwdriver you want. Here's a double open end wrench, but it's the 25/32 by 13/16 in very nice shape, VV series. Let's see what's in here. Got some ratcheting wrenches, more wrenches. I don't think there's any rhyme or reason to each bundle. I think they kind of just threw them all together. 3/4 inch combination wrench, VV series, not bad. Here's a 5/8 wrench combination, also VV series. And here is a V series double open wrench, 9/16 by 1/2 inch. Ratcheting wrench, this is a Craftsman with that crown logo. 43682, 3/8 by 7/16. Seems to be working good. There's a little crack in the plastic guard here, but not too big of a deal. Here's another one, 3/8 by 7/16. Same exact size. This one is not the crown logo, but the same kind of wrench. Works good. Obviously not tested under load or anything, but just from first viewing, it's ratcheting. Got a push drill here. This is also a Craftsman, but it's kind of hard to read, but it's got this nice like S-curve logo in it. Definitely cool. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. I don't know how old these things are. It is functioning, and then I'll have to open up the back end here to see if it came with any bits. Another gem, 22mm wrench, original V series, 42922, in excellent shape. It's a good find. Then we got a 1-inch wrench, VV series, 44705, also in decent shape. I think the rest of these will be sockets. There's a little bag of goodies in there. We'll just rip this open. Yeah, all kinds of stuff in here. We got another file handle. This one, the name's a little bit worn down, but not bad. Again, I said I'll probably pair it with a Craftsman file. V-Series 6-inch extension for 1/2-inch drive. Here's a 3-inch extension, G-Series for 1/2-inch drive. 1 1/16 12-point socket. Oops. VV series. Got a couple of ignition wrenches in here. You know, nothing crazy. Looks to be V series. I have tons of these. There's a little flat blade socket, V series. Craftsman 40801. Little measurement tool here. I think these are, you know, for that spark plug gap and stuff. I've never used this style, but got all the gauges in here. Here's another tool. This one just says Sears. Probably a yeah, just a feeler gauge here. Got a swivel joint socket, original Flying V series, 1/2-inch, decently used. Various sockets here, various series, like this one. This one's an 8-point, kind of cool. G series, metric, American. You know, here's a little adapter. G series, USA. I haven't seen anything non-USA in here, which is nice. Let's open up this package here. The one-hand struggle. Raining sockets. Spark plug socket here, 13/16 V series. Here's another V series 1-inch 12-point socket. Got some deep sockets here, 13/16 12-point for 3-inch drive. It's in G series, 6-point socket, 3/4, 3/8 drive. Various pieces in here. Yeah, I mean, the sockets aren't anything to write home about, but they're definitely, you know, good filler pieces. I have actually been working on separating by series and then putting together sets. So this is just some of them. I had to clear off my desk here, but this is like, this one's G series, and then we have the inverted G series, and we got G1 and G2, V, VV. Yeah, I mean, I've been trying to sort through those and put them together in true original sets of all the same series, or at least as many alike as I can get. Like, if I'm missing just one and it's a G series and I have an inverted G, I'll throw that in. But I try to keep it as original as possible. But yeah, that was the $70 Craftsman box. You know, I mean, I was happy to get the metric line wrench. There's 3 ratchets in there, the 20mm, the 22mm, plus some other goodies. You know, not a crazy deal, but for, you know, an eBay auction, I'd say that was definitely a good price paid. So let me know what you guys think. I'll be doing more of these eBay auction videos. Kind of been keeping an eye out for them because they make nice little quick videos, and it's kind of fun to open them up and go through them. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you love tool hauls and tool reviews and all sorts of anything tools, just keep an eye out. We got videos coming out all the time, and there's plenty more to come. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.